Alright, so here we have September's Petrol Box. Let's get it open, see what we got this month. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so here we got the little, basically what I call a cheat sheet. I'll read you guys all this stuff right at the end. Start off with the microfiber cloth. I usually like these because I use these for the window, like this style with like without the microfiber, I guess. But I like these. I use them for the windows. Look at that, glass cleaner, and that'll come in handy. So I guess these go pairing, they go together. Got air freshener, little sprayer for the bottle. Might be a wallet. We'll see right now. We got this month's subscribers right of the month. Ooh, that's nice. This reminds me of the Dynaco from Lightning McQueen, the king, but it ain't. Well, the car is, but that's cool. Oh, I don't know what this is. It came a little bent, but I don't know. We'll see what it is right now. And then we got the shirt. Alright. Well, now that I got everything in there, let's go through each one and see what this says for each thing. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna start off with the shirt. We got clutch, brake, gas. Then on the back, this says Petrol Box. Then on the front, we got upshift, downshift. I'm probably gonna blur this out, or not blur it out, but beep it. But yeah, that's a pretty dope shirt. Alright, then onto this thing. I don't know what this is. It is not. It doesn't tell me on this thing what it is. So I don't know what this is. Honestly, if you guys know what it is in the comments, let me know. Cause I'm drawing a blank. Hold on, I don't know. I honestly don't know what this is for. But like I said, if you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments. Bet you something simple and I'm just not thinking straight. But yeah, I guess this was in the box, so I don't know. Alright, well, I guess on to the next one. Then we got, like I said, this month's subscriber winner for the ride of the month. Pretty dope, Silverado. Hey, he has the same name as me. Fernando. Whoa, congrats, my dude. Up next, we got the Jack's Wax glass cleaner. Pretty good. Then the description for that. Let me see. It says it is a safe and easy to use glass cleaner that can be used on all glass surfaces, including tinted windows, navigation screens, LED screens. This streak-free formula will clean your glass efficiently and restore optical clarity for safe driving. So that's the description that they put on the on this thing. But yeah, cool. And then the thing that goes on there, make it spray. Up next, so I was right. This was a wallet. That's pretty good. I'm probably gonna swap out my old wallet for this one because my old wallet's tearing up from all the edges. It's just been through a lot, so. Oh, now I got me a new wallet. The description for that. Let's see. Whoa, nothing really. It's just a harness wallet. Plain, simple. Pretty cool. Then the air freshener, it is a black ice. Then the sticker they throw in each month, different car. Yep, pretty cool Plymouth. Daytona boy. And then lastly we got the window rag cleaner, microfiber. Then for this guy, let's see, it's just a diamond weave glass and window towel. This unique diamond scale pattern produces an effective, smooth gliding performance to easily tackle all your dusty, dirty grime, glass, and window needs. The snakeskin-like texture design combines the best features of popular microfiber waffle weave and smooth herringbone weave class towels without any of the dry drag friction that some smooth finish glass towels can produce. So yeah, so these are pretty good for windows. I didn't, like I said, when I first opened it I was like, oh, this is gonna come in handy, and then right after that we got the glass cleaner and everything, so that's dope. So it's a pretty okay, cool box this month, not too bad. Still confused on what this is. So if y'all know in the comments, let me know. Because at this point, it's like a piece of plastic to me. I have no idea what this is. Like I said, it's probably gonna be the simplest thing or something useful, and I'm just drawing a blank. Literally, I have no idea what this is. So yeah, well, that's this month's box. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment. I'll leave this link in the description so you guys can give them a check out and see if you guys want to try it out. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed.